Hello again. I've got my sound box with me again today. Shall we sing our sound box song? What do we have in the sound box today? The sound box today, the sound box today. What do we have in the sound box today? Let's take a little look. I can see all sorts of things in here. It looks as if all of the things in the box begin with the sound Can you say You have to make the sound come through your nose. Have a look. See if you can see anything moving on me when I make the sound Nothing. The sound comes through your nose and out. Okay, let's have a look what's in the sound box. Oh, I wonder what this is. I can see what it is now. It's got all sorts of pictures and writing. It's a bit like a book, but it's called a newspaper. And you can read about what's happening in the world today in a newspaper. Can you say newspaper? Newspaper. Newspaper. Have a go. Let's have a little look what else is in the box today. Ooh, there's a packet of something here. I hold it really close to the camera. I wonder if you can tell me what it is. Have you had a good guess? They're nuts. They're pistachio nuts. Can you say nuts? Nuts. 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 You have a try. Let's have a look what else is in the box. I can see something shiny down here. Can you see what it is? It's a knife. You use it for cutting your food. Knife. Knife. Can you say knife? Knife. Well done. There's something else, another shiny thing in here. Can you see what that is? If I open it up, it's a little book. Book. That doesn't start with N. It's called a notebook. And I take it around with me. And if I have got something I need to remember, I can write it down in my notebook. 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 Can you say it? Well done. There's another book in here, but it's open on a page. I wonder if you can guess why it's open on that page. That's right, it's a picture of nighttime. 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 Can you say nighttime? Oh, there's something nice in here too. I can put this on. It's a necklace. 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 Can you say necklace? And I wonder what these are. Can you see? They are numbers. Numbers. And here is the number 9. 9 and numbers, number 9. Can you say number 9? Well done. Well, there's one last thing in the box. I'll show you what it is. It's a piece of string. And string doesn't begin with N, but hang on a minute. I'm going to do something with this string. I'm going to fasten it round like that, put that through, and then I'm going to pull like that, and I have made a knot. A knot. Can you see the knot in my string? I've made a knot. Can you say knot? Excellent work. have a little look around your classroom or around your house and see if you can find some things that have the sound N at the beginning or anywhere in the word. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.